In this short tutorial, I'm going to show you how to register and book our events. All our events are actually listed on our showcase page on LinkedIn. So you basically go to the search field here and then you just search for #social procurement. Once you see this, you click on companies. Then you obviously see here our showcase page. You click on the showcase page itself. You will see it immediately in the member view, of course. Maybe you have already followed this page, then you can find it even easier, or you actually have it in your bookmarks. After that, when you're in here, you're actually going to the events subpage here. And here you actually see the upcoming events and the past events. Past events doesn't really make sense. But here on the upcoming event, you see that there is only one which I did not register for yet. So you click on the view event. You actually enter the event and then you click on attend event. And if there is a registration link, you can actually follow the registration link to finalize the registration. For some of our online webinars, you actually only need to click on attend and you already attended. The cool thing is now you can even invite additional contacts to the event. So you can, for example, click here on invite. And now you're getting a list of contacts and you can select any contacts here in order to send out the invitation to the event. As soon as you click on invite one, you will actually send out the invitation. I hope that was helpful for you and see you next time.